to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko and today, and if today is the first on this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes. So last week was fun, isn't it? We learned about our poem for the fathers. I know a lot of comments I got. Oh, today it wasn't easy and this and that. I know. It was because we decided to teach in Yoruba last week. Okay, so maybe what I'll do is sometime later in the future, I'm going to translate that to English, okay? And then even though I had the translation on the screen, I had to consider some of my students that are unable to read yet, okay? So I'll have to do that at some time in the future, I promise, okay? So today, like, you know, we've been learning in the last 3 weeks, so they're about identifying things in your classrooms, at home, and today is going to be identifying things here outside your home, okay? But you know, we're going to be greeting everyone together in Yoruba language, and then we'll come back to our lesson for today. All right, on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí ní gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Àǹtí Dékẹ́. Ní òní o, a máa kọ́ nípa dídá àwọn nǹkan mọ̀ ní ìta. Ṣé ó ti yé yín? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni wọ́n fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi ní ti tòní o. Àìdẹ̀mọ̀ mo ti sọ náà tẹ́lẹ̀ pé a máa fi èdè Yorùbá kọ́ wọn náà tó bá ti yá. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn ohun tí mo gbà ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá wípé olùkọ́ Àǹtí Dékẹ́ àti ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá yìí ó le díẹ̀ o. Àwọn ọmọ yín ó fẹ́ ṣe fẹ́ ní pé ó nira díẹ̀ fún wọn láti kọ́, àmọ́ ẹ má ṣe yọnu. Ṣé rí tó bá di ọjọ́ iwájú, mo máa ṣe ìtumọ̀ ti ewì tá a ṣe fún bàbá ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá. Mo máa túmọ̀ rẹ̀ sí èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì fún wọn kó lè yé wọn. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Nítòní, a máa kọ́ nípa dídá àwọn nǹkan mọ̀ ní ìta. Ṣé ti yé yín? Ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Ẹ ṣeun gidi gan ni. All right, guys. So today we're going to be learning of things that we can see outside the house. So what are the kind of things you can see outside the house? You can see cars, you can see bikes, you can see airplane outside, you can see trees, you can see, you know, bicycle, you can see a whole lot of things, okay? But for today, we're going to be learning the major ones that I can see around me, okay? Motto. Motto means vehicle, 4-wheeled vehicle in Yoruba. So, and as that sounds very similar to what we've got in English mottos, okay? So, motto, but the traditional word for 4-wheeled vehicles or motto, the traditional word is oko. Oko. Okay, but for the lesson of today, we're going to stick to motto, okay? Now, the second word that we're going to be learning is bicycle. Bicycle is called keke. Keke in Yoruba, okay? The next one that we're going to be learning is ọkọ̀ bàálù. If you remember earlier, I said to you that the traditional word for motto in Yoruba language is oko, okay? So aeroplane will be ọkọ̀ bàálù. Bàálù, okay? So it just simply means a vehicle that flies in the air, okay? Good. All right. Another one there is trees. And I'm sure from your Yoruba alphabet, you remember what E is for. Igi, exactly. So, igi, trees. Okay. Then you see other houses as well. House, ile. Okay. Other houses there. Oh, ile. Okay. Birds. Ẹyẹ. Eye, dogs. You remember this one? Aja. Yes, so dogs. Aja. Well done. Then cats. Cats, you can see cats everywhere. Okay, so cats are called ologbo. Okay, motorbike or power bikes, they're called alupupu. Alupupu. Did you get that? Yeah? Okay. So, we're going to recite it again and tell me what ones you can remember. So, what are four-wheeled vehicles called in Yoruba? I want to believe you said Oko. Yay! Or moto. Yay! Well done. Okay. And bicycle? Did you say keke? Yay! Keke. Well done. Okay. Aeroplane. Okobalu. Well done. You should be proud of yourself because I'm proud of you. Okay. Trees. Igi. Yeah, you're right. Igi. Yes. Beautiful. Other houses. Ile. Ile. Well done. Another one there are birds. Birds are called what? Eye. Wow. Well done. Okay, so this one, dogs. Did you just shout it out loud? Aja. Yes, Aja. Well done. What do you call cats? Ologbo. Thank you. And the last but not the least, power bikes. Alupupu. Well done. That is brilliant. So, that is it for this week, okay? Until we meet again next week. All right. So, on the count of 1, 2,